Today, I'm going to show you how to properly prune your basil so then it grows forever. Okay, so first what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to look at one of these leaf nodes. Can you see this leaf node? Yep, you're just going to want to go there and chip, chop, chop. You're just going to want to cut it off. If you guys have actually grown basil before, you guys should know that my basil plant is not the best plant. But, so from here, you're just going to get some pesto, some basil leaves, whatever you want to do with it. Just going to want to go. So here, this one's actually getting flowers, so this should be taken off ASAP. You're just going to want to take it, and you're going to want to hit right where one of the leaf nodes start. So then, if you hit it there, then new growth is going to stem from the sides. If you hit it like somewhere in the middle, that's just going to make the plant confused. So then this one's also getting flowers from the sides, and you can see the flowers. I'm going to show you, I'm going to cut this and show you. You're going to want to cut it at a leaf node, at an angle a little bit, so then we might be able to propagate that. And so then you're going to want to take this. I want you to see there's this, here, come in close. I want you to see that there's this flower here. That's what the flower is, and you're going to want to cut off plants like that have that. So you're going to have these. These are going to be great for propagation, great for making pestos. You're going to take these really long ones, and you're just going to cut them down to about here. This basil plant has not been neglected necessarily, but it hasn't been properly pruned. So that's why I'm just going to share this moment with you guys and tell you guys how to properly do this. I'm going to take all these ones. They have really lanky stems. So you're just going to take them and cut them at a leaf node. And you're going to keep on going with this so then it becomes bushier. I'm cutting a lot because I'm going to make some pesto. I'm going to put a link in the description from that video. And yeah, so that's why I'm cutting a lot. But for you guys, if you guys are just going to be want to just prune so then it grows longer, you're probably just going to cut at one of these top ones. But I have to cut like at these because of, 1 second. I'm going to have to cut at one of these because my basil plant has grown really lanky and it's just not doing well. So thanks for watching this video. If you want to see my last video, click here. If you want to see the video that YouTube recommends, click here. And if you like this video or if you moderately like this video, please subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit the bell icon to turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next video.